Hi guys, I am Anisha here. So today's topic will be hosting a static website. For example, hosting a static website or a front-end page or landing page which is not dynamically where you can't do login or something options, just a static page. So today we will be deploying this using a S3 bucket. So here what we're going to use is one is S3 bucket and one index.html file. So I already created one index.html file and I have saved it. So what I'm gonna do is I will be gonna upload my index.html file to a S3 bucket. From there I will be showing you how we can do a static hosting. So firstly I will go to S3 and create one S3 bucket. Let's click on it. Okay, so create bucket. So I will be creating my bucket in the Mumbai region. So I am in Mumbai region right now. So general purpose itself. Okay, our bucket name should be a unique. Even if you are giving a bucket name which already exists, it will throw you an error and it doesn't allow you to create a bucket. So I will be giving DevOps with Anisha. So DevOps with Anisha, I am giving the bucket name. So ACL disable I will be keeping as it is recommended, and block all public access I will remove it because I want to do because I will be enabling the static website. That's why I will show you that. So bucket versioning right now I will be keep disable. In my upcoming videos I will show you how to enable it and what is the use of versioning. So yeah, that's it. We will create a bucket. Okay, my bucket is created. So quickly go click on the bucket. So here you are getting an option called upload. Here I have already said that I have created one index.html file and kept it ready. So now now I will be uploading it. I will be clicking on add files. So here my file is saved in desktop. So I will be doing index. So this is my file. So just open so that here we can upload it. Okay, it is got uploaded. Let's go back. Now object part is done. Now going to the properties part. So here in properties part, go down, still down. Okay, this is the one I had said that we will be enabling the S3 static website hosting, right? If you disable it, you won't be able to access the URL. Right now you can't see any URL here. I will enable it and I will show you the difference. Just go to edit and enable it. Okay, now I want to host a static website, correct? Okay, what is my file name? My file name is nothing but index.html. So error document it's optional, so I will leave it. I will give the save changes. Now go down and see. Now you can now I have enabled the static website hosting. So hosting type will be the bucket hosting and I got the URL. Just click on that URL. Now what it says 403 forbidden. What could be the reason? I have an index.html uploaded already. I have enabled the S3 static bucket hosting option. Okay, now the thing is 403 forbidden is nothing but permission issue. So what could be the issue? This is nothing but the bucket policy issue. We have to go and check bucket policy. Okay, go back. So as this is a permission issue, we will go to the permission. So here block all public accesses you have kept off. So this is proper. Bucket policy. There is no current bucket policy. So you have to add one bucket policy. So I have already saved here. I will be using this. I will give this bucket policy in my description so that you guys also can use it. Just the thing you have to do is you have to change the bucket name. So I will be going it. So done. Just give save changes. Okay, done. Now just go back to that URL and refresh it. Now you are getting that permission issue is gone. That's it. This is also easy, right? So hosting a website, static website using S3 is very easy. So this was nothing. Just I uploaded one index.html file to S3 bucket and showed you how to just enable the static website. And I got a URL. Through that URL I have got my website. Just I was getting the 403 permission. 403 is nothing but the permission error. So we have to give a permission to our bucket. So we need to add one bucket policy. Once you have added, then you can get your page. So in my upcoming videos, I will show you uh, hosting a static website, same website, but keeping the my bucket as private. Also disabling the static website option. By doing this, how to uh, host your application, I will show that. There what I will be going to do is I will be using CDN, that is nothing but the CloudFront. Instead of using hosting website URL, I will be using CDN URL so that our bucket will be fully private and fully safe. So stay tuned. Bye bye.